Welcome back to another Scottish Tech YouTube video. So in this one we have a recovery for you, and I've just collected the trailer and we will go and get it, and it is a special recovery. So stay tuned and you'll see what we're going to get. Alright.
Fucking drivers, mate. I asked that guy if his ring doorbell would he go to, but he says nah. Too straight. You seen the just past the but I just sticker in the front forever. You can see where all the bits are, I've moved some of it, but that was all in the middle of the road. I don't know where my Volkswagen badge is went. I'm unsure, I think somebody might have run on it, I'll be honest with you. What's that?
When you get fucking...
Maybe just take those loose bits off there.
What if we just take the whole fucking bump hill?
I can't even. Any tools?
Snaps. That's not a plug actually.
Hang in with the van once you get the James.
Right. Drive it on and we'll tidy all the shite up after. Wee bit left.
I'm on that track.
Now I interrupt this video quickly just to show you some of our merch stuff that we've got available on our website. So we've got our hoodies that can be seen in the video. So it's got the Scottish Tech on the front and a picture on the back. And then these aren't on the website yet, but they will be today. We've got some t-shirts, various style hats, thermal mugs and our sticker packs. So if you head over to the website, there is a link in the description, and grab yourself some merch because we've got a van to try and fix. Cheers. Keep going. Whoa.
Right, forward a bit.
Yeah.
Right, there you go.
Why the razor? So somebody pulled out in front of Greg this morning and absolutely destroyed the front of the van. So obviously all this front corner's been damaged, ABS pump, headlights and all that stuff, but happened out here. Greg was coming along the road there, this person was waiting to turn right, and they basically turned right in front of him, and just there he's tried to swerve to avoid it, but unfortunately he couldn't. The Micra's knackered, the van's knackered, so we're going to go and drop this off at the body shop and hopefully we can get it back as quick as possible. But right, Happy New Year for the saloon driver. When I looked on the thing and seen
Actually, I thought you still had it tilted when I came back. You had the looks on it. Should be heavy. Should be the mirrors right now.
this is their lane, guys.
I'm really trying to get back on the road. Popped off straight away.
It's there, look.
Aye, because like 90% of the car parks at one height, and they've just thought, see that bit where you can exit? It's the nicest bit to exit.
There you go then. So not a video I ever sort of wanted the video, but these things happen unfortunately. Luckily Greg's fine, the woman's fine that pulled out in front of him, everybody's okay, it's just sort of cosmetic stuff. So aye, less than ideal, but Greg's away in my van now. We're going to get that van dropped off at the body shop tomorrow. Hopefully with the insurance stuff it all gets sorted pretty quick. But aye, Happy New Year and time for a new front end.